Brian back here with a look at this Myro chart. All right, we're gonna take a we're gonna dig in a little bit deeper here. Right now we're at 23, almost 24 cents, up 9.5% for the day right now. All right, so we're gonna take a look at a couple things. First off, the crypto bubbles. Here's your top 100. A little bit of green out there today, not a whole lot. Got a few things. A lot of these RSIs are starting to get reset now, so should see a lot of stuff starting to bounce. Okay, I believe probably tomorrow is going to be a pretty decent day for the crypto market. 24-hour liquidations are 211 million. That's down 4.9% from yesterday. Open interest is at 37.9 billion. That's down. That was over 39 billion 2 days ago. So that pull down by Bitcoin definitely got some liquidations. 24-hour volume for the whole crypto market, 116.8 billion. That's up 5.04%. All right, let's go over here to coin market cap and take a look at the market cap. $225 million. Volume is down 8.9% at that's still high though, 82.5 million. 82 million. You know, that's a third of the market cap. We still it still has some volume coming in. That's a lot for a $224 million market cap to have 82.5 million in volume. That's definitely a lot. And what I find impressive is when you look at this chart, the overall, I mean, that's from November 17th. This thing has just been a rocket ship. That's the crazy. Just has been taken. I wish I would have had the opportunity to get in back here. I think my buddy Adam, I know he got in somewhere down here. He got a nice buy, Adam, for sure. That's this thing has been killing it. All right, now if we come over here, up here the market cap is at 1.64 trillion. See, this has 24-hour volume at 63.8 billion for the market. I don't understand why there's such a discrepancy there. That's CoinGlass over here that I use. CoinGlass is like very, very accurate. All right, so you can see here Bitcoin has 49.8% of the market dominance, and Ethereum has 18.2%. So there's almost 70% of the market is Bitcoin and ETH. The Fear and Greed Index at a 56 out of 100. All right, let's go back over these charts here. All right, let's take a look at this thing. Quite honestly, it looks like possibly, you know, this thing is no, it doesn't act like, you know, it's hard to chart out this thing sometimes. It doesn't act like a regular crypto. There's not a lot of price history to go on here, but this 26-cent high, this is where we could end up having a pullback. Okay, you could have, you know, if we count these out here, let me grab my, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. Sorry about that. You know, and then you have your fifth wave up here. It looks like that's possibly 5 waves right here. Now, if we look at the RSIs, that daily's at a 91 and a 67. Not a lot of history here with the daily. All right, so that's not going to be real dependable. The 12-hour is just about ready to flip bearish. It's at a 75 and a 74. Okay, just ready to flip over here. I believe this is going to have a pullback. The 8-hour is bearish, a 62 and a 65, and your 4-hour is at a 43.08 and a 43.2. It is just now flipping bearish. All right, you can see it's doing a crossover right now. You know, so if I was honestly looking at this thing, I would be expecting a pullback here. You know, it's due for one. We go for a swing low or a swing high. Right up to here. All right, that 618 is down here at 1632. Then you have the 702 down here at 0.149. I would be looking for a pullback to one of these areas. the 618 or the 702. You know, quite honestly, it's due for a pullback. I mean, at some point you got to have a pullback here. These RSIs get overextended. I'm going to pull this over so you can see the price is a little bit better. There we go. Let's move that. Let's move this yellow line out of your way there. There we go. We'll just put it down there on that support. That's crazy. That's 702 down here, 14.9. Look where that comes in at. Resistance, 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 support, support. That looks like a perfect area for a pullback. 14.9. I would be really eyeing that spot up. The 16.2 is very possible, but this 14.9 just looks pretty good. That's a very, very good support level. Okay, I believe it's pulling back somewhere around there. You're gonna have these RSIs are running out of steam. Okay, you're gonna have some kind of pullback here, either to here and a bounce, or it's gonna come down to here, the 702, and then get a bounce. All right, that would give these RSIs some time to cool off and reset. They're just getting pretty high. Look at this 12. I mean, you got your 12 right at the top, and you also got some bearish divergence here. Let's go on the daily, on the 12. I'll show you the bearish divergence. See here. Here we go. We have this high here. Okay, then we have a lower high. All right, if we look at price action in the same spot, we had this high, then we had a higher high. All right, we have a lower high on the RSI down here. Okay, so that is, you got some bearish divergence there. If you go in on a, let's go on an 8 hour, pull this up, you got the same thing. You got this high, a lower high, and then on price action, you know, you have this high and a higher high. So you got bearish divergence in here on the charts, which also points, you know, to a pullback. So I would be looking for a pullback here, guys. I think 26 cents right now, that's going to be the high. Now, if it comes back up here, obviously, and it breaks 26 cents, then obviously it's going higher. I just don't see it happening. This 12 is ready to roll over. The 8 is already rolled over. Now you can see it's actually trying to turn back up. You got bearish divergence here on the 8 hour too. But I really think this thing's pulling down. All right, yeah, the 4 hours rolling over there. So watch for a pullback to that area I talked about there, guys. I truly believe this is a perfect spot right around 14.9. You know, either 16.2 or 14.9. Watch for them areas. That would be a very good entry to get, and we'll see what happens. You know, for all I know, this thing could take off. It's been so unpredictable. You know, especially with so much volume coming in. It's crazy, the volume that comes in on this thing right now. Now you can see also, there you go. We got, you know, if you want to call for a pullback, declining volume. All right, that's the perfect thing to you look at that too, you know. So there's another pointer to a pullback. You know, declining volume, RSIs are rolling over. All right, so all right, guys, thank you very, very much. Hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.